If you're looking for legitimate remote jobs that pay well and don't require a college degree, you're in the right place. I've done the research and found 9 remote positions that pay between $20 and $30 per hour. These aren't side hustles or complicated business ideas. They're real jobs with real companies that you can start within the next week or two. Some of these might not be the most exciting work you'll ever do, but they offer something valuable: stability, flexibility, and the freedom to work from anywhere. And honestly, that's worth a lot. This information is based on my research from job sites, company reviews, and salary data. Let's dive in and see which one might be the right fit for you.
First up is Belay, a company that connects remote professionals with businesses that need support. They pay between $28 and $33 per hour for marketing assistant positions. Belay has been around since 2010 and has won awards for being a great place to work, so they have a solid reputation. As a marketing assistant, you'd help with things like social media scheduling, email campaigns, and basic design work. Nothing too complicated, just supporting businesses with their day-to-day marketing needs. You work as an independent contractor, which means you get to set your own schedule. Most people work anywhere from 10 to 30 hours per week, depending on their availability and financial goals. What you'll need? A laptop, smartphone, and reliable internet. That's really it. No degree required, and they're open to people without previous experience. The trade-off is that, as a contractor, you won't get traditional employee benefits, but the flexibility and pay rate make this a strong option if you're looking for supplemental income or a full-time remote opportunity. I'd rate Belay 8.5 out of 10 for reliability and earning potential.
Next is Zendesk, a well-established software company that provides customer service tools to businesses worldwide. They hire remote support specialists at $20 to $25 per hour for entry-level positions, according to their job listings and verified employee reviews on Glassdoor. Your role would be helping Zendesk's customers troubleshoot technical issues, answer questions, and ensure they're getting the most out of the platform. It's customer service, but with a tech focus. The great news? You don't need a technical background. Zendesk provides training, and they're really looking for people who are good communicators and problem solvers. The reality is, you'll spend most of your day on calls or live chat, so this works best if you enjoy helping people and don't mind regular customer interaction. What you'll need? A high school diploma or equivalent, strong communication skills, and basic computer knowledge. This is a legitimate career path with room for growth. Many people start in support and move into other roles within the company. I'd give Zendesk a 7 out of 10. It's real work with a respected company, though customer service roles can be demanding. Here's one you probably haven't heard of: Aira. This company provides visual assistance to people who are blind or have low vision. The pay is $22 to $23 per hour, primarily for evening and weekend shifts. Here's how it works. Someone using the Aira app needs help. Maybe they're at a grocery store looking for a specific product, or they need to read a document. They connect with you through the app, and using their phone's camera, you help them navigate their environment. You might describe what's on the menu, help them find the right medication at a pharmacy, or read important mail. It's straightforward work that genuinely helps people with their daily lives. No previous experience is needed. You just need to be patient, descriptive, and kind. The company provides full training. Benefits include health insurance, paid sick leave, and a $400 annual technology stipend for your home office. The schedule focuses on evenings and weekends, which is perfect if you have other commitments during the day or just prefer those hours. I'd rate Aira a 7 out of 10. The pay is solid and the work is genuinely meaningful. If you're knowledgeable in any academic subject, math, science, English, history, whatever your strength is, StudyPool could be a great fit. The platform works like this. Students post questions and attach a payment amount. You answer the question with the detailed explanation, and you earn that amount. Simple. Questions can range from $7 for something quick to $40 or more for complex problems. According to StudyPool's data, the top tutors earns over $7,500 per month. Top earners on the platform make between $75,000 and $100,000 annually.
Now, those are the high performers, and results vary widely, but the potential is there if you're good at explaining concepts and you put in consistent effort. You don't need teaching credentials, just solid knowledge in your subject area and the ability to explain things clearly in writing. The flexibility is incredible. You work whenever you want and choose which questions to answer. The downside is inconsistency. Some weeks you'll have plenty of questions available, other weeks might be slower. What you'll need: expertise in at least one academic subject and strong written communication skills. I'd give Study Pool a 7 out of 10. The earning potential is excellent, though the variable workload affects the score.
Coinbase is one of the largest cryptocurrency platforms in the world, and they hire remote customer service representatives in multiple countries, including the US, Canada, UK, and several others. In the United States, customer service positions pay around $70,000 per year. In the UK, it's approximately £40,000 annually. Your job would be helping customers with account questions, transaction issues, and general platform navigation. You're essentially the helpful voice that guides people through their cryptocurrency experience. Here's the good news: you don't need to be a crypto expert. Coinbase provides comprehensive training on everything you need to know. What you'll need: a high school diploma, strong communication skills, and basic computer proficiency. Coinbase has good employee reviews, with over half of their team members saying they'd recommend the company to friends. That's a positive sign for workplace culture. This is also excellent for your resume. Having a recognizable tech company on there opens doors for future opportunities. I'd rate Coinbase 8.5 out of 10. Strong pay, legitimate company, and good growth potential. Activus offers customer support positions with pay ranging from $15 to $25 per hour, depending on the specific role and your experience level. What makes Activus stand out is the flexibility. They offer full-time, part-time, and flexible shift options. You can work days, nights, or weekends, whatever fits your lifestyle. If you're in the United States, you'll also get medical and life insurance, plus access to a 401k retirement plan. These benefits are rare for entry-level remote positions. The work itself is customer service, answering calls, responding to chats, helping customers solve problems. It's straightforward work that doesn't require specialized skills. What you'll need: a computer, reliable internet connection, and a headset. No degree or previous experience required. This is ideal if you need flexibility. Maybe you're a parent, a student, or you have another job and want to supplement your income. I'd give Activus an 8 out of 10. The combination of flexibility and benefits makes this a strong option for entry-level remote work. Comcast hires virtual inbound sales chat representatives. Essentially, you're helping customers through text-based chat rather than phone calls. The base pay is $14.50 per hour, which is on the lower end. However, there's a commission structure that can significantly boost your earnings. When you successfully help a customer upgrade their service or retain their account, you earn commission on that sale. According to employee reports, some representatives earn an additional $1,400 per month in commissions, which adds up to about $17,000 extra per year. Your shifts would run from 3:30 p.m. to midnight, and you would work some weekends, so this works best if you're someone who prefers afternoon and evening hours. You follow provided scripts and guidelines, so you're not creating responses from scratch, you're working within a proven framework. What you'll need: a high school diploma and good typing skills. The commission potential is what makes this opportunity interesting. Your earning potential is partly in your hands based on how well you help customers. I'd rate Comcast an 8 out of 10. The commission structure provides real upside for those who are good at customer interaction. Roadside assistance companies hire remote representatives to help coordinate help for drivers who've broken down or had an accident. The pay is approximately $20.70 per hour for evening and weekend shifts based on current job listings. Your role is to answer calls from people in stressful situations. Their car won't start, they have a flat tire, they've been in an accident. You dispatch the appropriate help and keep them informed while they wait. It requires empathy and good communication skills, but no technical automotive knowledge. You're coordinating services, not diagnosing car problems. The schedule is structured around nights and weekends, which can be ideal if you have daytime commitments or prefer those hours. What you'll need: strong communication skills, the ability to stay calm under pressure, and empathy for people in difficult situations. This job has real purpose. You're genuinely helping people when they need it most. That can be very rewarding. I'd rate this 7 out of 10. Solid pay and meaningful work, though dealing with stressed callers can be emotionally taxing.
Finally, Marriott, one of the largest hotel chains in the world. They consistently have remote positions available in customer support, reservations, and data entry. For entry-level positions, the pay ranges from $15 to $20 per hour based on verified employee reviews on Glassdoor. You'd be helping customers book reservations, modify existing bookings, answer questions about properties, and resolve any issues that come up. Marriott has a 4-star employee rating, which indicates generally positive workplace experiences. Being a Fortune 500 company, they offer stability and structure that smaller companies might not provide. What you'll need? A high school diploma, good communication skills, and basic computer proficiency. This isn't the highest paying option on the list, but it comes with the security of working for an established global brand. That matters when you're looking for reliable, long-term remote work. I'd give Marriott an 8 out of 10. It's dependable, legitimate, and provides a solid foundation for remote work experience.
So there you have it. 9 legitimate remote jobs paying between $20 and $30 per hour with no college degree required. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes or complicated business models. They're real positions with real companies, offering you the opportunity to work from home with flexibility and decent pay. Every person's situation is different. Maybe you're looking to supplement your current income. Maybe you want to transition fully to remote work. Maybe you're just exploring your options. Whatever your goal, there's likely something on this list that could work for you. Which of these opportunities interests you most? Drop a comment and let me know. I'd love to hear which direction you're thinking of going. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I create content like this regularly to help you find real, practical opportunities for remote work and financial flexibility. Thanks for watching, and I genuinely hope one of these jobs helps you take the next step toward the work-life balance you're looking for. You've got this.